Hi, sir.
Hello, ma'am.
Please introduce about yourself.
I'm Ruksar. I'm working as a physiotherapist in Girdan Foundation Learning Center. I have done my bachelor's degree in 2024 from Kaveri Group of Institutions, and I have also done my internships from All India Institute of Speech and Hearing, Palliative Care Center, and Ashana Special School, and many more places I have worked. And widely, I work with pediatric cases. I have seen a lot of pediatric cases like cerebral palsy, Down syndrome, autism, and ADHD. I have more interest toward the special children now, so I'm looking forward to working with children special school.
Okay, so you do home therapy also?
Yes, I have been doing home therapy independent practice from past 1.5 years. As
So, what type of people is the physiotherapy is useful? What type of
physiotherapy, physiotherapy is widely known for treatment of injuries after the sports related injuries, and now we have also been dealing with the neurodevelopmental delays, which we can see widely in special children, and people who have got come out of chronic pains. This also we have been dealing, and people who have got surgeries recently like TKR, THR surgeries, and shoulder replacement dislocations. There are lots of ACL tear. This and all we have been giving treatment for this type of patients. Here in Devdan Special School, I have seen patients like cerebral palsy, autism, ADHD. In this school, we have seen most of the cases related to flat feet and muscle tightness, spasticity, which is spasticity, and rhinic deformities. Like
Okay. So, at what age the special children should get therapies, physiotherapy?
as soon as possible, even we see the deformity visible from our own eyes, and after getting checked with the prescribed doctor once, it is very good. It is very better to start therapy
Okay.
as soon as possible. Yes.
Okay. So, it's a long process or how it is like weekly, how many days they have to get therapies?
Minimally, they have to take like 3 days per week is better if you want to see the result very early on. Even getting once a week is also beneficial for the children. So there are some children who need physiotherapy daily. Once for the people who have like severe spasticity and reflexes, they have to take for them.
Any experience you want to share with us in this journey?
Yes, I have. I want to share experience about this school only, Devan Special School. I have been watching one kid named Ruban. He has Walkman ischemic contracture. In that contracture, we can see the forearm muscles will be dead, actually dead, and the hand will be twisted inside like this. So the tendon will be twisted and turned inward. In this deformity, what happens means the flexor muscles will become tight and the extensor muscle will become weak. So he can't do the movement related to hand, and slowly it will cause the hand to become dead, and we have to amputate it at the last. So we can prevent this easily by doing the daily stretching, by keeping the hand in sprint, walkman distance like that when sprint will come. In that we can do. So right now, because of the insufficient funds, we were not able to get the sprint for the urban.
Okay.
But we have managed to make the splint in Devdan only by using the things which are available at the time. And we can see corrections in the deformity. Little bit movement is presentable now.
Okay.
We can see.
Okay. So he is improving now.
Yes, he is
Okay. What exposure you are getting in the observations?
getting variety of exposures not only related to physiotherapy, but there are also the teachers present here are very affectionate towards the children, and they are working very hard on the children to make them improve. And we are also working on improving the radial activities in the daily life. improvising their standard of living. They are working like that in this.
Okay. Okay. So, what is the message you want to share for our viewers?
We are not only limited to special education, special needs children. That is not only thing we are giving physiotherapy for. We are also looking for the outpatient people who are looking for physiotherapy. It can be related to orthopedic conditions, neuro conditions, Parkinson's, and any other conditions also. We are highly equipped here. We have wheelchairs. We have other physiotherapy equipments. We can give individual tailored programs related to their treatment.
Okay, thank you, sir, for the time, and we had got lots of information about physiotherapy. Thank you so much. Okay, thank you, viewers, for watching our interview. For more details and information, please, and for booking your slots, please contact our below numbers. Thank you so much.